Whether you're a serious vlogger, or social media influencer racking up followers, or just sharing life's precious moments with friends, you're going to love digipower's latest vlogging kit. This new, innovative vlogging kit features a 50 LED compact video light, which is perfect for your photography and videography needs. Its multi-purpose tripod features a smartphone/action camera holder, along with a bracket that helps mounting all of the items included in this kit, so you can connect your phone or camera. The tripod also conveniently includes a built-in wireless remote. The shotgun microphone runs up to 800 hours of recording time, so you never have to worry about running out of audio in the middle of your shoot. With an audio to lighting adapter and an audio to USB-C adapter, this fully loaded vlogging kit will work on any phone without having the need to purchase any extra adapters whatsoever. Make your social media content look its best with this amazing new vlogging kit from digipower, the market leader in content creation accessories.